This was such a pain in the ass.
It needs to be bigger. Make it larger.
Oh! If you wanna build your dream scooter, I've got links and discount codes to every scooter and part I would actually use on strikers.com. Link in the description. What are you doing? Something's not right. What do you mean? It's literally a rocket. It needs to be faster. Today I'm gonna try upgrading the G2 Master because apparently it's not fast enough. I'm gonna try changing the phase wires on the motors. We'll see how that goes. Oh my days. This is heavy. So what I'm gonna do today is change the motor phase wires, and I'm also gonna try putting them in delta, see if that makes it faster. I also got bullet connectors for the motors. Finally, I don't have to use those shitty ass plugs again. The big ass wrench. Wait, first of all I have to take this off. The Agadaga machine. I should actually take the battery out first. Hold on. Make sure nothing's gonna blow up. You're about to see a bomb. Oh my god. This is totally safe. This weighs as much as a Xiaomi scooter. I should actually put this battery in the G2 Pro. Well, now I need to take the motor apart. Oh yeah, the G2 Master stock battery. What should I do with it? This is a motor. First I have to take the brake disc off. Bro, a drill makes this stuff so much faster. And no, I'm not opening the rim. If you open the rim, you have to deflate the tire or else it's gonna crack when you unscrew it. Oh yeah, the biggest screwdriver I have. Oh yeah. Come on, bro. Well, the motor casing is off. These bearings are... oh, they are perfect. Oh man, now I have to take the whole thing out. The handle is slightly bent. Easier said than done. Yeah, bro, working on scooter is easy. Well, the magnets look really good actually. Look at that. This is the motor. I'm gonna clamp it in here. I have to change this big ass wire. I have to take the stock wire out. So let's do that. Yeah, bro, I'ma just heat this up to 1 trillion degrees. Let's put some Diddy paste. You know what? Can you also hold this while also recording perfectly? If you don't do all that, I'm not paying you.
You're not paying me that way.
Yep, it's coming off. So this is the first phase. Bro, KuKirin quality. The wires are not even so... oh Lord have mercy. Look at them cheeks. The phase wire wasn't even soldered on. I ripped it off with my hand. The phase wires are desoldered. Oh brother, it's glued in there. Brute force. I'm well familiar with that. Does this fit? It does. The real question is, do 3 of them fit? I think about this is fine. And this is where hell begins. Okay, so let's stick some soap in there. Let's make sure it's all slippery. It's like I'm preparing to put something in my ass, bro. Spread them. I'm doing unspeakable things with this mower. We're making the hole bigger. Yeah, I don't think this is safe though, so don't try this, because doing this might weaken the axle. But I'm a professional, I know what I'm doing. How long is this going to take, bro? Yeah, he don't fit. Lord have mercy. Oh my days. Bro is used to j***ing off. Look how much lube he put on it. Okay, buddy. Speed on that thing. Lord have mercy. Bro, can y'all stop fooling around on my video? Let's make the hole bigger. I mean, bro, yo, it's kinda works.
It needs to be bigger. Make it larger.
This hole is too small. You're gonna break my motor. Straight on YouTube. Okay, but there's no way in hell this fits.
Look, he's so pretty. Isn't he a firmware material, guys?
I can't wait for my motor axle to snap at 120 kilometers per hour. Sure. What the f are you playing?
Mom calling me.
There's no way this shit fits, bro. Yeah, bro. Look who I invited to help me on my video.
I think this is the only oil bro has.
Spray that's inside?
Do you have any other actual oil?
No.
Get your ass out of here. Oh. Oh my god.
I'm gonna set this motor on fire. I'm not gonna do all this again. I'm done. Oh yes, you are gonna do it again. Hold the tire. Nah, bro, this is not going. It's too, the wires are too thick. 69.
What I do to your mother?
Guys, don't ever work on no damn scooter.
It would be easier if you shut the fuck up. Wait, I have an idea, bro.
Bro,
When you're making your own tools,
that's when you know it ain't ever fixable. When you're making your own tools, you know it's bad.
bro, your ass is flat, man. Your ass is genuinely flat.
Yeah, I'm breaking this. Bro, what are y'all doing, bro? Y'all genuinely tripping, bro. Get out of my house.
I hit the key, so my ass crack.
Okay, bro.
If you want to get the key back, you better look for it inside my ass.
Bro, what are y'all doing? Did you break the door?
Kinda. Oh shit, it's not. Oh shit. Oopsie.
I'm pulling.
You're not pulling hard enough. More passion. Should I kiss?
This much in here.
Can I kiss, please?
I will kiss your mom good night.
Oh, it should have been me.
What about me and you?
Bro,
together?
shut up!
You have him.
Bro, how should I do it, genuinely?
Constructor.
The type of shit bro talking about why I'm gonna stick this whole thing in your ass. The whole thing. Yeah, building a makeshift hyper scooter is fun. This ain't no hyper scooter. The door is broken, isn't it? Did y'all fix the door? Oh hell no!
Did you just say your name is Burger?
These fools be fooling in my house.
No cortisol sticker, domnule.
Oh no!
Oh!
What did you find?
Yo!
Jackpot!
Ah.
Recording for 1 hour, by the way.
So first phase, second phase, and this is the third one.
What the heck?
Okay, so the wiring is done. Let me just zip tie this and let's put it back together and see if it works or not. It won't work. I'll let you take a guess whether it fit or not. But this wire is red hot almost and it's not desoldering. Oh! So yeah, at this point I just gave up. I broke the motor cable like 3 times, bro. So I just took the stator out of the motor that was on the G2 Pro. You know, the G2 Master motor with a broken rim. And put it inside of this good casing. And it just works and whatever. I'm gonna get Lonio motors anyway. I don't need thick phase wires on these crappy motors. Ain't no way, bro got a Kabu. Bro, that thing is massive. Bro's brand new scooter already died. Bro, that's not a good noise. Just look at the size difference. If it moves, it works. What is Lil bro looking at? That's not good. I mean, it's broken. You can just give it to me if you don't need it anymore. Might be Hall sensors.
Hall sensor fault?
I called that. I called it. I literally said that thing earlier. Bro, scooter is cooked. It's deep fried, bro. Look at this. Listen to this noise from the rear motor. Yep, that clicking noise means he has faulty Hall sensors, bro. Brand new Kabu right here and it's already dead. Look at this. This is the controller. Looks pretty mad. And the motors are also pretty big. Too bad they are dead. I mean, just the rear one. This motor is pretty fried. Oh, hell nah, buddy. It's already warm and you just spun it in the air, bro. Narrowbot motors are better because they are just rebranded Lonio motors. Lonio motors are the best, bro. With a cast aluminum box for cooling the controllers. Bro destroyed it. It's your fault. Bro is putting the thing back together. Bro just took the L. He accepted the loss. Yeah, Kabu quality, bro. Bro, you can fit even bigger motors on this. Look how much clearance you have in there. Bro, this scooter might be perfect for modding. You can fit huge motors. You could remove this cage and make a cage as big as this whole steering pole. You can make a cage as big as the steering pole and just fit huge controllers in here. Look how much space you have. And then you got a huge deck. I think you can extend for an even bigger battery. I started working on something actually. So this is the suspension axle from the KuKirin G2 Pro. And what I'm thinking is to make it fit on the G2 Master instead of this one, so I can put G3 Pro swing arms on it because they look way better than these ones. I just have to work a little on it because it's a millimeter too thick. I have to shave off 1 millimeter from it. Oh yeah, look at that suspension. Yeah, bro, we can't go fast, so we can ride forever. We have infinite range. Bro, that brake sounds insane. Everyone is looking at you, bro. You can't not look at it. God damn, man. Stand-up motorcycle. Well, let me see what that thing is made of. It's so strong when you push it, but it cuts power. Bro, I'm so tall with this. I mean, bro, you can't even feel it on this thing. It feels a little odd. I don't know. Bro, stepping off this scooter feels like free falling. Bro, look at this thing. It's halfway to my knee. Bro, the G2 Master is so small compared to this. This scooter is literally so heavy. It goes by itself. When I release the throttle, it just keeps going. Look, I'm not pushing the throttle. It's holding speed. 70 kilograms, bro. My G2 Master is like half of that. I feel so tall on this scooter. What's that noise? Air? I can't imagine how it sounds at high speed. Bro, I got to 70 without even knowing it. You gain speed without even noticing it. Bro, 86. I don't even notice it. 90, 93, 95. Bro, this scooter is fun. You ain't gonna notice me, right? I'm just minding my business going 23 kilometers per hour. Nothing more than 25. I'm completely legal. This scooter is totally legal. Error 1. That's different. God damn, that's loud. What you mean throttle fault? It works just fine, look. Go ahead. Record the charging station. I think you already did this like 10 million more times. I'm spinning, bro.
Wow.
Bro, when you're on something like this, everyone looks at you. The problem is, even the cops look at you. Bro, you got pulled over.
Yeah.
And what did they do to you? Did they arrest you? Small trick, what do you mean?
I told them I wanna refund it.
Oh.
Because I don't like it. I told them I'm more like a Xiaomi guy and like this is too big.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Who would want this? Like, bro, call Lester. The Wolf King GTR feels a little odd, but I like it. Maybe it feels odd to me because the handlebars are tall, not like this. Two guys riding totally legal vehicles. This is a dirt bike trail. I'll go first. Oh my days! Yeah, this is totally safe. Bro, I can't ride it with these settings. It's just too powerful. I just instantly do a burnout. Even with my rear wheel. Uh-oh. Oh! Climbing, no problem for the G2 Master. It has as much power as the Wolf King GTR. Yo, be careful! Be careful, there's sand! You'll get... Oh my days. Something's off. I mean, my rear VESC is working. My front VESC is...
Not working.
Yeah, it doesn't want throttle. Yeah, my front VESC isn't receiving throttle input. My front VESC isn't receiving any throttle signal. My VESCs are with that ass.
Whoa, don't do that, buddy.
Who's cool now, huh?
Oh,
I'm riding single motor. Jump. Whoa! My front VESC decided to give up. Yo! I'm full throttle right now. Oh hell no, this thing wobbles. Oh, it cut power entirely. Yeah, brother. This thing is kaput. But can you do this? Oh yeah! Holy willy, brother. Oh my day! Imagine you hit that pothole. Bro, if you hit that, you're dead. Yeah, but you can't wheelie it right now.
yeah, bro. Come on.
Yeah, I should pop a wheelie in front of the police.
On no wheels.
Oh, you're floating. Yeah, bro, the magic carpet. Bro, there's no way a manual bike is gapping us. Hell nah, brother. People say suspension like this is way more stable than this. Yeah, I had a death wobble on that road. Maybe because I'm too light. The scooter is heavier than me, by the way. Brother. Riding around with a massive subwoofer, blasting music. Yeah, you're gonna sit on it and your butt is gonna vibrate. What is bro doing? Wheeling with one motor feels so smooth, bro. Bro is mad. Bro is having fun. Bro, infinite wheelie machine.